my stepdad. So I remember being 14 years old, about to graduate from 8th grade, and he bought this brand new blue F-150, and he pulled it into the driveway. And I was like, man, that truck looks so cool. He was like, you want to go on a ride? And I was like, sure. So, he took me down the back roads around where we lived and just drove around. And he was like, one day this truck's going to be yours. And I was like, well, yeah, by the time that happens, it's going to be rusted and falling apart. Well, he passed away back in January of 2022 due to COVID. I got that truck a lot sooner than I wanted to. So I wrote this song for him. It's called Your Truck. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I remember back in the 8th grade, seeing you pulling the driveway in your brand new baby blue Ford. And I remember that first back road drive, sitting there with a smile on the passenger side, when you said you'll be driving her in no time. I didn't think the time would come so soon that I'd be here driving this truck without you. I'd give you the keys in a heartbeat, and if you could be here with me, I'd go back to driving my piece of junk. And if it meant you'd be driving your truck. Cold by the driver's seat, cab full of memories. Yeah, driving this thing is so bittersweet, but I can still feel him here with me. I didn't think the time would come so soon that I'd be here driving this truck without you. I'd give you the keys in a heartbeat, and if you could be here with me, I'd go back to driving my piece of junk. And if it meant you'd be driving your truck, so many things I wish I could say, but I never heard silence so loud until today. I didn't think the time would come so soon that I'd be here driving this truck without you. I'd give you the keys in a heartbeat, and if you could be here with me, I'd go back to driving my piece of junk. Yeah, I'd go back to driving my old piece of junk. And if it meant you'd be driving your truck. Yeah, I'd go back to driving my piece of junk. And if it meant you'd be driving your truck.